Hello guys. I will show you how to install AnyDesk on Windows 7 device and grant remote access to anyone. Let's get started. I'll be using the Google Chrome browser for this, but you can use any browser you choose. The procedure is the same for all browsers. Start your web browser. Search for AnyDesk download in the URL box and press the enter button on your keyboard. Visit the first result that is from the AnyDesk.com website. Make sure you ignore the Google ads you see from your browser. I'll also include a link to the AnyDesk website in the video description. You can go straight to the AnyDesk website from there. Click on the download button. In the bottom corner, you can check the download progress. You can also look at the downloaded file in your browser's download list. Select Downloads by clicking on the three-dot icon. It will display a list of all the files you've downloaded. AnyDesk, as you can see, is present. When you click Show on the folder, you'll be sent to the download folder, where the file is stored. Right-click AnyDesk and select Open from the menu. Allow the permission. The AnyDesk dashboard window is now visible. Install AnyDesk by clicking on Install AnyDesk. Then accept and install. Allow permission once again. Select the New Session tab. Your AnyDesk ID can be found here. You can copy the ID number by right-clicking on it and selecting Copy Address. This is the AnyDesk ID you'll need to give to anyone who wants to remotely access your device. That's it for today. Please like and subscribe and click the bell icon to get new video updates.